Okay, so I've recently developed a problem on my car gear shifting lever. When I try to engage the first gear, the lever wouldn't stay, or the gear wouldn't get engaged. Same story with the second gear. The lever just keeps coming back to the neutral position. However, but the second and third gear gets engaged, so that means the vertical movement is fine, but the horizontal movement is gone. So I need to take a look at that. So let's pop the hood and see what's going on in there. Alright, so I've disconnected the battery. I've also unbuckled this tray, the battery holder, and right behind this tray, if I can try to move this a little bit. So this cable is for the vertical movement, and this one is for the horizontal movement. Right, so it got loose. So basically it should be securely connected in that particular lever. So I think the bush got worn out and it just gave out. So basically these two cables connect directly into the transmission, right? So I need to find a bush. So I've got the bush and some grease so that I can slip this bush into that cable holder. So it's time to get the hands dirty. So I've applied some grease outside and inside of this bush so that it can easily fit into that cable and onto the latch. Okay, the bush is in place. We just need to pop it in onto this latch. There you go. Alright, so everything is securely connected. Now it's time to crank the car. Works just fine.